dolls, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm Kayla Lashae, and today I wanted to share my little workout routine that I'm going to be doing for the next 2 weeks at home, you guys. It is summer, your girl's trying to look snatched for, the pool and the beach, so I thought what better way to invite the dolls to do this challenge with me than to do a video. So let me show you guys what we're going to be doing today. We're going to focus on snatching our waist and growing the booty. So this is what we're going to start off with. We're going to go right on into push-ups. I like to use my dumbbells as some stability, and then after this I'm going to dive right on into a 1-minute plank. So what I like to do is I like to block off 30 minutes out of the day to do my workouts in the morning. You don't need a gym membership. You can just use some of these tools that I have lying around. I'll leave links to everything in the description box below. So 30 minutes, you're going to get your heart rate going, you're going to burn, you're going to break some sweat. We're going to tighten up our body and tone up and look snatched. Now I'm going to move on into this next move, which I like to call rockabye baby. I do not know the proper term, but oh my gosh, does it burn your abs. So I go from side to side, and then I'll do pulses on each side for about 10 to 15 reps. You can do whatever it is that you're comfortable with. Now I'm going to move on into a full body crunch. Again, I'm going to do about 10 to 15 reps. It's going to get tough, but push through it because it'll definitely feel the burn in your lower belly. So right after that, you guys saw I just jumped into a bicycle. I do this for 1 minute, and then I'll switch it up and do like bicycle crunches, which really engage your core to, I feel like, the fullest potential. And again, it's really gonna get you going and you're gonna feel the burn, but push through it. Now I'm gonna jump into a plank position. Again, I'm using my dumbbells, and I like to go and extend my knee out, so outside of the mat. Again, this is gonna really engage our core. Here's a little tip that I think makes the biggest difference when you're doing, full body exercises. Don't take too long of a rest period. I feel like it's just more effective if you kind of jump into each move. So instead of resting, what I like to do is like the imaginary jump rope, because I have neighbors. So I do this for 1 minute in between whenever I feel like I'm tired. It really helps to get my heart rate up. It gets me breaking a sweat, and I really just feel really good. So I'll alternate legs, hop on one leg at a time, just as I would with a traditional jump rope. So I'm going to dive on into the next move, which is another variation of a push-up. This definitely engages your whole entire body, and it's really great for your arms as well, just to tone and tighten those up, and of course your core. So I'll do about 15 reps of these. And guess what? We're going to go back into a plank position and just bring our knee straight forward. Again, this is going to engage our core, and again, guess what? 15 reps. Oh man, after these I was about to die. So after this, we're going to take a little bit of a breather, and we're going to go ahead and move on into our booty exercises. So I'm going to grab my ankle weights. I use 2.5 pounds per leg. Might not seem like a lot, but wow, it makes a huge difference. So I love doing donkey kicks and different variations of them. So as you see, I'm just doing a traditional donkey kick, and then I'm going to do pulses at the end of that. So I think I did 10 reps of traditional donkey kicks and then 10 pulses, and then of course I'm going to repeat that on the other side, because you don't want to have an uneven booty, right? Nobody wants that. Now I'm going to go ahead and extend my leg straight out, and we're going to just bring our leg up and then down, up and then down. This is really going to hit your butt. I find that if I don't bring my leg all the way down to the mat, I feel it directly in the booty. So for me, this is what works. So again, I'm going to switch my leg and repeat my reps on the other side. Okay, I'm like dying at this point, but we're gonna switch it right on into these little fire hydrants, which look crazy, but it's a great way to sculpt your booty. If you want a round booty, you definitely want to do this. I feel like donkey kicks and fire hydrants are a great combo because it really just targets the whole entire area. So I'm gonna go ahead and repeat this on the other side, 10 to 15 reps, again, whatever it is that you're comfortable with. And you can of course always go ahead and repeat these 2 or 3 times to get in those sets. So now I'm going to extend my leg again, but this time we're going to move our leg over like in a crisscross position, again targeting the outer area of our booty on both legs. I'm noticing how tan I am right now, and that's because I just did a self-tan routine. So if you dolls want to check that out, I'll leave that video linked below as my last upload. I'll also be sure to put it in the cards on this video. Now I'm going to grab my resistance band. I'm using the extra heavy one because, well, your girl wants a bigger booty. I'm also going to grab my 15-pound kettlebell. These are great as well. I don't know what these are called, bridges or something like that, but it's most important to go ahead and squeeze your butt in as you come up. And as you see, I'm doing pulses. I do about 10 pulses while my booty is squeezed, and you really feel the burn. I will also go ahead and switch up and just do, traditional raises, and then I'll do pulses whenever I feel like I want to, but just play around with it. This again is amazing for the butt. And of course, it would not be a good workout if we did not get in those squats. So again, I'm taking my 15-pound kettlebell. This is a really great set. Again, I'll leave it linked down below, but I'm just gonna do some squats with this, and then I'm gonna jump right on into like kettlebell swings. This also engages your arms. If you guys want an arm workout, I'd be happy to share, but be careful with this. Make sure you don't hit anybody and your area is kind of clear, but this is amazing for basically full body. Next, I'm going to take it into some bouncing lunges. I love lunges. They're so simple but super effective. So I like to do bouncing lunges on each leg, and then I'll go ahead and switch it into a curtsy bouncing lunge, which again sculpts the outer area of our booty. I'm going to go ahead and grab another resistance band and slip that on, and I'm going to go into these step out squats. Any type of squat, whether it's a jumping squat, a traditional squat, a crab walk, you're definitely going to want to add it into your routine. It's essential. So you guys will see that I'm doing some leg kicks as well. This is great. Definitely got to keep your balance. If you need to lean on something, go ahead and do so. And you don't have to use the resistance band. If you want to build up to that, that's great. I find it's super effective when I add them in, and you can always go up in the resistance to make it a little bit more challenging for you. And then I'm also going to finish this workout off with some jumping squats, again with the resistance band. And you are going to feel the burn. You are going to be feeling amazing after this 30-minute workout, guys. We completed our workout for the day. If you guys would like to see what I'm eating throughout this next 2-week period, be sure to let me know and thumbs up and subscribe, and I will see you guys next time.